This 2012 Porsche Panamera is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Porsche Panamera Turbo Sport Chrono Package Turbo Sevatronic Interior Package with black high-gloss 3-spoke sport steering wheel with paddle shifters, electric roll-up sun blind for rear side windows, electric roll-up sun blind fourth behind rear compartment, black full leather sport tailpipes, 20 and quad RS Spider design wheels, lane change assist with blind spot detection, park assist navigation system, rear view camera, power sliding sunroof, heated front seats, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, 4.8L twin turbocharged V8 engine, 7-speed PDK automatic transmission, all-wheel drive system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power trunk opener, cruise control, power adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, black exterior, black leather interior, floor mats, owner's manual, 2 sets of keys. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.